Hey everyone, we're going to Detroit. Meet Jason, another great lean thinker.
So Jason, tell me about what you guys do.
Jason, I'm from Merryweather Foam. We are a foam fabricator, so we're taking large blocks of foam or rolls of foam and creating parts for customers that can help with squeaks and rattles, noise dampening.
Automotive industry, a lot.
Automotive, could be automotive, could be medical.
Okay, how long have you been doing lean?
Lean's been about 2 years now.
You're the third generation, right?
We are third generation, yeah.
Okay, and what's the failure rate for the second generation?
50%.
And what's the failure rate for the third generation?
90%.
90%. So you have a high statistical probability you're going to screw this business up.
Yep.
That your
9 times
grandfather
out of 10, we're supposed to fail.
Right, and so now you've been doing lean for 2 years. What do you think the possibility of screwing it up now that you're implementing lean? Do you think it's got a high rate of not being part of the statistic?
Correct. We're committed to not failing. It's a 0% for Merryweather. We won't fail because of lean.
Right. Quick stories. You were saying, how long did it take you to process a bun of foam before when you started?
So for one of our largest customers, to get a full truckload of foam, it took us, with two of the exact same machine, it took us 2 weeks. With the lean principles we've learned from your company, we were able to take it down to running one piece of equipment, and it takes us 3 days to do an entire truckload of foam.
That's massive.
It's huge.
Wow.
It's groundbreaking.
The coolest thing about your story, Jason, is when I just heard your third generation, high statistical probability you're going to fail, and now you're making these improvements of a magnitude that are not even imaginable, going from 2 weeks, 2 machines, to 3 days, 1 machine.
Yep.
Same order.
Yep. Same exact order.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing. Keep it up.
Thank you.
So at the end of the day, become a lean thinker and make your company extraordinary.